It's Friday, 31st of October, last day of October, and as usual we're looking at UK wheat, and we're looking at the May contract, which is 2015. As usual, we start with a monthly chart, which we have on screen at the moment, and you can see we've got this big green candle representing the whole of October movement, an up move, and we're closing here last night at 28.80. You can see how important this high was from back in 2,420, also this gap here, and we got to a low of 112. So we'll pop down and see what price action we can see on the daily. And here we are, we can see that we've come up broken the 6-day moving average, middle of October. We have the 5 and the 20-day, there's the 5 and the 10-day moving average on here crossing up, and we have our Elliott wave count in play at the present moment. Wave 1, 2, 3, my target was 131, which we've hit, and we pulled back down now to test the 5-day moving average, so we're looking for wave 4. We'd like to see wave 4 not come down and take out the 6-day moving average here, down at 124, and like to not take out the support here, down at 125. So looking at sort of 28, £3-4 tonne fall pullback to come back at the moment. So we'll look down. Just see the plan which I put out the other day, and here we are. This is when we were just testing this 125 underneath it. I was looking for wave 3, £14 a tonne move to 131. Tick, we've just got that. We're looking for wave 4, which is a pullback retracement wave. So I would, that's where we're looking to come back. And then eventually, if wave 4 holds, we do not take out 120. We're looking at a £29 per tonne move to target 146. So just show you on a closer time frame what we've got here. This move 1, 2, 3, we broke through the 6-day moving average. We had this cross up and then a failure and came back down, tested it, and then broke through it. Here, 131 target hit. We've pulled back to test the 5-day moving average. We're looking for this pullback to test, find out where wave 4 is. No way of telling us until the market unfortunately turns around again. But say we'd like to see that not taking out the 60-day moving average sort of on a 3-day test. So obviously plan in place, quite easy when you've got this the beauty of the Elliott wave, when you've got a sort of a wave in place. It gives you the roadmap of what you're looking for, where you're looking for it. So we're looking for a moving average cross or test this 6-day moving average sort of, within sort of the end of this week, Wednesday, Thursday, Monday, Tuesday. If it doesn't test this, doesn't hold it, then we break back down. We're back down to test the bottom of wave 2 here. So it's quite a nice sort of indication, and gives you comfort to know what's happening. We're now going to look at the US wheat chart. You can see here that had sort of 3 or 5 days testing this 6-day moving average. That is now broken, coming up to test the underneath here, this long-term support here during July and August, 541. We'll see whether that breaks through and continues on up, or we get us a retrace similar. I can't see sort of any wave count there at the moment to put on this chart, but obviously I'll keep an eye on that. Lastly, we look at oilseed rape, testing us at the moment to see whether it's going to break this 330 level, which was the high of 2009. Went up to test the 330, test the 340 level, come down to 329.25, go back down. That was the monthly chart. On the daily chart, you can see here 6-day moving average came up, broke above it, tested it, broke down below it. Now it's broken up again with some vigor, though the volume is not good. And now is reversed pretty quickly again. So it's difficult to call. I would like to say that yes, it's making higher lows, and we've seen a clean break of the 6-day moving average. So I would like to see us go up and test this target 375. But I can't get a sort of Elliott wave count or anything going at the moment on this, because obviously it's taking this swing high out here again. So obviously it's sort of giving us quite a sort of difficult time to sort of read there at the moment. it's got potential, but it hasn't at the present moment. So just keep an eye on that and see what develops over the coming week. So interesting times on the wheat market. At least we're seeing a bit of movement at the moment. I say we know what we're looking for. We know when we're looking for it. We just got to see the market confirm it, and then if it does hold, then obviously we've got quite a rally in place to go to this wave 5. But obviously, if this 60-day moving average doesn't hold over the next 2 weeks and is taken out, then that sort of starts the warning bells that we're either going to fall back into this downwards trend or go into a sideways market. So obviously keep an eye on it. Next week is crucial, and I'll put an update this time next week. Thanks for watching.